amigos! I am so glad that you're making the commitment to learn Spanish. Spanish is one of the most useful languages to learn, and it is so easy. Spanish is phonetic, meaning that it is pronounced the way it is written. So there's no second guessing on pronunciation. And one of the important things you need to learn right now is the Spanish alphabet. Once you know all those letters and sounds, you'll be able to speak any word in the Spanish language. So let's get started. Let's learn the Spanish alphabet. A makes the sound A, as in abrazo. B makes the sound B, putting your lips together, as in bebé. C makes two sounds. When it is together with the strong vowels, it makes the sound K, like the letter K. Ka, as in casa. Co, as in cono. Cu, as in culebra. And it makes the S sound S when it is together with the soft vowels, like C, cebra, si, cien. Che makes the sound ch, like in chocolate. You see two letters, but in Spanish it is considered one letter. De makes the sound D, like dedo. E, not E, makes the sound E, like elefante. F makes the sound F, as in foca. He has two sounds. It makes the sound G when it is together with the strong vowels. Ga, like in gato. Go, like in gota. Gu, like in gusano. And it makes the H sound of the letter H in English when it's together with the soft vowels, like he, gente, he, gitana. H is a silent letter, as in the word hola, hello. But if it didn't have the letter H, it would say hola, which means an ocean wave. So one letter makes a difference in the meaning of the word. E, not I. E makes the sound E, as in iglesia. J makes the sound H, as in jirafa. K makes the sound K, as in koala. L makes the sound L, as in limón. J makes the sound J, like llama, not llama. And you see two letters, but in Spanish it's considered one letter. M makes the sound M, like manzana. N makes the sound N, like nube. Ñ makes the sound Ñ, like ñandú. Ñ is an N with a squiggly line on the top called a tilde. O, rounding your lips, makes the sound O, as in oso. P makes the sound P, as in papa. Q is always together with the U, and it makes the sound K, as in quesadilla, not quesadilla. R makes the sound R, as in rosa. R, or double R, makes the sound R. You have to roll your tongue for that sound, but think of a motorcycle. R, as in perro. S makes the sound S, as in sapo. T makes the sound T, as in tienda. U makes the sound U, as in uva. B makes the sound B, as in vino. Double B makes the sound W, as in Washington. There are not many words in the Spanish language that start with a W. So most of them are borrowed from the English language. X makes two sounds. When the X is at the beginning of a word, it makes the sound of the letter S, as in xilófono. But when the X is in the middle of a word, it makes the sound H, as in Mexico. Y makes the sound Y, as in yo-yo. Z makes two sounds. In Latin America, it makes the sound S, as in zapato. But in Spain, they pronounce it like with a TH sound, as in th, and they would say zapato. So now that you know all the letters in the Spanish alphabet, now it is your turn. You get to practice. So repeat after me. A, B, C, Ch, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, Ella, M, N, Ñ, O, P, Q, R, doble R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now we're going to learn to spell and pronounce some words. For example, caballo. C, A, B, A, Ella, O. K, A, B, A, J, O. Caballo. Cocina. C, O, C, I, N, A. K, O, S, I, N, A. Cocina. Tenedor. T, E, N, E, D, O, R. T, E, N, E, D, O, R. Tenedor. Now it is your turn. You get to spell and pronounce some words. Niño. Muy bien. Rosado. Excelente. Zapato. Muy bien. Hombre. Muy bien. Señora. Excelente. Gente. Fantastico! Now you get to practice your letters and sounds all week. And next Wednesday, I'll come back with lesson 2. We're going to learn greetings, how to ask a person how are you, and saying goodbye. For now, click the link in the description below to get your free copy of the letter and sounds alphabet list and your alphabet flashcards. Did you do it already? What are you waiting for? Ándale, let's get going! stop.